this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video, and this when I'm going to show you how you can fix black screen of death of your Samsung Galaxy Tab. Could be any version, doesn't matter. For example, this tablet is black, I don't see anything. First option you can try, you can put some charger, different charger, try with different charger. We have to check the charger, if charger is perfect or not, okay? You can try with additional charger. Here I have two Samsung charger, and you have to check the port. Sometimes port is broken. Normally the older version, they have another type of mini micro port. So you have to check the port is perfect or broken or not. You see inside, you see properly. You can take a cotton light. You can clean the edge of the port in this case. So this case, I don't see any problem in the port, is look intact and proper. So I connect with another charger I bought. Connect with the power source and let's see if it's charging or not. So in this case, this charger took directly is working. You have to try with different charger. After checking charger, still if it's not working, you can do something. You can do a force reset here. See here, this is volume rocker button, this is power button. So what we have to do, volume rocker down button and the power button, we have to hold together to do a reset. Let's do together. Samsung logo here. When you see Samsung logo, you have to release. In this case, Samsung logo appears. Most probably tablet gonna start in this case. It's loading. Android loading, okay. Is work in this case. Lovely. More thing you can do. You can take a cotton, small or big cotton. You can press different side of your tablet as this, you see. You do a massage all over the tablet, okay. You can use a cotton, you can do by hand. Press all the places of the tablet. Sometimes some connector may lose, is not charging, or lose of the display connector. Can, for example, as this you can do, or with your hand you can do as this. So some connector, if it's loose here and there, it will tight, sit at place. So you can see, maybe sometimes the display is black, you don't see in that case. So after doing all the things, this tablet should fix. If not fixed, then you have to take to mechanic. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.